In a world where technology is becoming ever more advanced and efficiency is often the end goal, the idea of creating wooden crafts without the aid of power tools may seem outdated to some. But for many woodworking lovers, the return to hand tools, the saws, chisels, planes, and mallets that require only muscle and focus, offers an experience that power tools simply cannot replicate. There is a quiet magic in traditional woodworking that speaks to something deeper, a connection with the material, a patience in the process, and a deeper appreciation for every curve, joint, and finish. These are the underrated rewards of creating wood crafts without power tools, rewards that elevate the craft into something truly personal and enduring. Hello, and welcome to Decor Ideas, where design meets detail in a decor world of creativity. Here, we explore woodworking projects and home decor ideas that inspire practical beauty. From simple crafts to elegant decor ideas, every video shows the heart of creativity. We keep it focused and full of visual ideas that speak louder than words. If you love thoughtful design and woodcrafts pieces, hit subscribe and let's bring your vision to life. Today we will show you a collection of power tools created woodcrafts design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When working without power tools, the first and perhaps most profound change is in the pace. Hand tools slow you down. In doing so, they invite you to pay closer attention. You can't rush a hand-cut dovetail or a smooth surface achieved through a hand plane. Each stroke requires intention. Each movement demands your full presence. In that slowness, many woodworkers discover a form of meditation. The rhythm of sawing by hand, the quiet swish of a plane across grain, the gentle tap of a mallet against a chisel, all become part of a calm, immersive experience. It's woodworking that isn't just about the result, but about the journey itself. This pace brings with it a heightened sense of awareness. Without the whirring noise of machines, you're left with the tactile feedback of the wood itself. You learn to feel the difference between end grain and face grain, to hear when a chisel is biting just right, to smell the subtle variations in different woods as you work them. Your senses become tuned to the craft in ways power tools often obscure. It's this intimate relationship with the material that gives hand tool woodworking its unique soul. You're not simply shaping wood, you're learning from it, responding to it, and honoring it. There is also a unique kind of skill that grows from working without power tools. Every task requires a higher level of finesse and understanding. Sawing in a straight line, for example, becomes an art when you don't have a table saw to guide you. Planing a board flat without a joiner takes not just knowledge, but careful craftsmanship. These skills take time to develop, and that's part of the reward. Each project becomes not just a finished piece, but a step forward in a lifelong learning process. It builds confidence, patience, and mastery. And when you finally achieve a perfectly fitting joint or a beautifully smoothed panel with only hand tools, the sense of accomplishment is deeply satisfying. Another underrated reward of working without power tools is the freedom it gives. You don't need a massive workshop, complicated machinery, or even access to electricity. A few high-quality hand tools and a modest workspace are enough to begin. This makes woodworking more accessible to people who may not have the space or budget for a fully equipped shop. It also allows for greater portability and simplicity. You can take your tools outside, work in natural light, and enjoy your craft wherever you find yourself. That kind of freedom can be creatively liberating. From an environmental perspective, hand tool woodworking also leaves a lighter footprint. It consumes less energy, produces less noise pollution, and creates less dust. It's a slower, quieter, and more sustainable way of building. For those who value eco-conscious living, creating beautiful and functional items with only human power aligns perfectly with their principles. It's a way of respecting not only the material, but also the world it comes from. Are you finding today's decor idea helpful or inspiring? We'd really love to know. Drop a comment and share your thoughts. We're always reading and learning from you too. More great visuals and tips are just ahead, so don't click away. And if you'd like to keep up with stylish and smart projects, make sure you follow Decor Ideas for fresh uploads every day. There is also a strong sense of tradition and history embedded in hand tool work. Long before electricity, generations of woodworkers built everything from fine furniture to homes with nothing more than the basic tools and their hands. When you use those same tools and techniques today, you are participating in a lineage of craftsmanship that stretches back centuries. This connection to the past brings a richness to your work that transcends trends. It gives your projects a sense of heritage and timelessness. It also fosters an appreciation for the ingenuity and resourcefulness of those who came before. The aesthetic of handcrafted pieces made without power tools also has a unique character. The slight imperfections, subtle tool marks, and soft curves tell a story. They reflect the touch of the maker. In a world increasingly obsessed with machine-perfect precision, these human touches stand out. They remind us that beauty lies not only in symmetry and accuracy, but in the warmth of imperfection, the evidence of care, and the authenticity of manual work. When someone runs their hand over a table or bowl made entirely by hand, they can feel that difference. It resonates emotionally. Selling handcrafted items made without power tools can also hold special value in the marketplace. Customers today are more conscious about where their products come from and how they're made. When they learn that a piece was built entirely with hand tools, without reliance on noisy machines or mass production techniques, it often increases the item's perceived value. Buyers appreciate the time, skill, and effort involved, and many are willing to pay a premium for something so thoughtfully made. In this sense, traditional woodworking isn't just personally rewarding, it can also be a powerful niche for income generation. Perhaps most importantly, creating woodcrafts without power tools gives you a sense of autonomy. It proves that you don't need the most advanced equipment to create something worthwhile. It reminds you that your hands, your patience, and your mind are your greatest tools. There's pride in knowing you built something from the ground up, using only your own strength and skill. That kind of independence is rare in today's fast-paced, high-tech world, and it's incredibly empowering. In the rewards of creating woodcrafts without power tools are many, though often understated. It's a journey that prioritizes connection over speed, quality over quantity, and meaning over convenience. For woodwork lovers, it opens the door to deeper creativity, greater self-reliance, and a richer, more personal relationship with their craft. It teaches patience, hones skill, and leaves behind work that isn't just beautiful, but filled with soul. In the end, that quiet, deeply satisfying success may be the greatest reward of all. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked power tools created woodcrafts, design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.